Welcome to the topic hemolytic disease of the newborn. Here we will be talking about the differences and in detail about the Rh type and the ABO type. Hemolytic disease of the newborn Rh type occurs when an Rh negative mother carries an Rh positive baby. Now the mother lacks the Rh antigen, so she initially has no antibodies against it. Pay close attention. The mother lacks the Rh antigen and she has no antibodies against it. When the fetal Rh positive RBCs, red blood cells, enter the mother's circulation, usually during delivery or trauma, her immune system will recognize them as foreign. Because the Rh antigen is not present in the mother in the first place. So the RBC carrying the Rh antigen has entered the mother's circulation either during delivery or during trauma. Since it's a foreign antigen to the body will start producing antibodies. The first antibody that is produced is IgM and subsequently IgG forms. IgM is large because of its pentameric structure and it cannot enter the placenta. So the first baby which the mother is carrying in her womb is safe because the antibody cannot enter the baby. However, in subsequent pregnancies where the mother carries again an Rh positive baby, the mother would have already produced sufficient IgG antibodies which are monomer and they are small in size. The IgG antibodies are small enough to cross the placenta, attack the fetal red blood cells and cause hemolysis. The severity can range from mild jaundice to severe anemia, either to hydrops fetalis and even death. This is in short about the hemolytic disease of the newborn due to Rh type. Let's see about the second type of hemolytic disease, that is the ABO hemolytic disease of the newborn. The key idea over here is that the mothers who have the O blood type, O blood group, they don't have A or B antigens on their red blood cells, but they do have higher levels of anti-A and anti-B antibodies. Now let's compare this to the Rh scenario. In Rh incompatibility, an Rh negative mother doesn't initially have antibodies against the Rh antigen. But here a mother with the blood group O does have antibodies against A and B antigen. They are the anti-A and anti-B antibodies. The antibodies are primarily IgG, that is they are smaller. In Rh incompatibility, antibodies are produced only after exposure to the Rh positive fetal blood, which occurs during first pregnancy, and the problem mainly arises in the subsequent pregnancies. But in ABO incompatibility, when the mother who is having a O blood group has the anti-A antibody as well as the anti-B antibody, when she carries the baby who has the A or the B blood type, that is with the A or the B antigen, then her anti-A antibody and anti-B antibody can cross the placenta. They can attack the fetal red blood cells even in the first pregnancy, thereby causing hemolysis and jaundice. So the classic scenario will look like the mother with the type O blood group, fetus with the type A or B blood group, and the outcome is ABO hemolytic disease of the newborn, which can occur immediately in the first pregnancy. This distinction, that is the ABO incompatibility, can affect the first pregnancy, whereas Rh incompatibility affects the later pregnancies, is a high yield point you should remember for exams. So this is a short slide and I have made it as crisp and understandable as possible. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. All the best for whatever exams you are appearing. Have a good day.